Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to install Node.js in Windows and maybe any other operating system, no problem, right? But before to install, first we need to understand what is Node.js and what is NPM, right? And then we will install a Node.js. First we need to understand these two questions. These are very important, right? So first we will understand what is a Node.js, right? So Node.js is just simple JavaScript code, right? As you have seen everywhere, JavaScript is widely used, and we can execute, right? We can execute JavaScript code through a Node.js on a runtime, right? And we can render JavaScript Node.js render data before delivering to a web browser, right? It means it can execute, right? It can render before delivering to the web browser, right? So this is just a runtime server. You can execute your JavaScript. That's it. This is a Node.js, right? And NPM, let's now understand. NPM is a node, P for package, and M for manager, right? We can share JavaScript libraries through NPM. These are the repositories we can send, we can share, right? So this is NPM. There are lots of NPM commands. We can share our libraries, JavaScript libraries, and anybody can use it, right? So this is node package manager, right? So there's two things we need to install, and right. So guys, we have understood what is Node.js and what is NPM, right? So now we need to install these two things, right? So for that, just go here and just type Node.js and click on a download, right? So here is a installer of Windows, and here is the installer of Mac OS, and also it's available for Mac, right? Linux, Mac, and Windows. There are lots of versions are available for some other operating systems. So I have Windows, so I'll download these, right? I'll download these and I'll install this, but this installer already my system have, so I will not download and I will not install it again, right? So you have to just simply, there is very simple wizard to install, just next and finish it. That's it, right? So simple. So after install, we need to we need to verify your installation, it's a install or not, right, in your system. So for that we have a just simple commands. I'll show you a very simple few commands of npm and node, right? So after installation, what we have to do, just go to your desktop and any location of your window and any location of your operating systems. I'm on a desktop, right? So here I'll create a new folder. Always you have to do like that, right? So Node.js. So you can give any another name, no problem. I'm giving a Node.js, right? You can give any folder name, there is no problem. Just after creating a folder, you have to go here, and after that just type cmd command prompt, right? And here we can install a Node.js packages, and we can execute any queries, and we can do anything with here. We can install using npm, right? Node package manager. We can share a code, share libraries, right? Someone make our libraries and we can install by npm, right? So that means we are sharing sharing libraries, right? So that is our npm. And Node.js is we can execute JavaScript code on a runtime, right? So let's see a first command, which is how to check Node install or not, right? So let's check our Node.js version. So let's type node --v, means we need to check which version our Windows and our system have a Node.js. So currently I have version 14.15.4, right? So these are the command is to show a version of Node.js. So let's check the version of npm. So just type npm -v -v and hit enter. So it will take a little bit time, but it will show quickly. This is 6.14.10, and after that you can write a it means you have a Node.js has installed successfully. There is no problem. You are running on npm and you can do anything with the Node.js, right? So there are simple steps. Using that we can install Node.js in our Windows, right? So guys, and still, if you have any questions and doubt, you can write me a comment, right? And if you have any problems to install Node.js, you can write a comment. I will help you to install Node.js. So guys, if you like, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this, right? And if you have any suggestions and doubt, you can please let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.